Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're diving into the AVNT coin chart. That's Avantis, the powerhouse DeFi project on Base, that's already turning heads with its insane trading volumes and real-world asset perps. Built by Expantera Capital pros and backed by heavy hitters like Coinbase, AVNT is the largest DEX on Base by volume, letting you trade everything from crypto to forex and equities with up to 500x leverage, zero-fee perps. Yeah, they're innovating hard, and this chart is screaming opportunity. Let's break it down live. No fluff, just real talk on why this could be your next big play. First off, zoom in on that main candlestick action. We're looking at AVNT USDT on Binance. Current price, sitting pretty at $1.2244, up a solid plus 16% in the last 24 hours. That's not just a pump, that's momentum. Building like a freight train, the 24-hour high hit $1.45, low dip to 81 cents, with volume exploding to 23.56 million AVNT and $25.79 million in USDT. Over 702 million in total volume. That's retail and whales. Piling in, folks, liquidity is flowing. And it's not some dead cat bounce. The chart's showing a sharp recovery from that recent low around 81 cents, breaking through resistance like it was paper. If you're watching this on the 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, those green candles are stacking up, pushing us toward that $1.45 high. Again, it's volatile, sure, crypto's Wild West, but this upward thrust feels organic, fueled by Base's ecosystem hype and AVNT's fresh listings. Now let's talk those indicators. They're lighting up like a Christmas tree, confirming the bulls are in control. Start with the EMAs. The 7 period at 1.1884 and 25 period at 1.1380. Price is way above both, golden. Cross intact, screaming uptrend locked in. No death cross here, this is bullish territory all day. RSI at 93.4301. Overbought city, yeah. But in a strong pump like this, it can stay hot for longer than you think. FOMO driving it higher before any pullback. MACDs showing DIF at minus 0.0341. DEA at minus 0.0269. And signal at 0.0073. The histogram's narrowing but still positive momentum, hinting at continued upside if volume holds. Bollinger Bands are squeezing tight around $1.2244, with the upper band near $1.3412 and lower at $1.0596, price hugging the top, ready for a volatility spike. SARS flipped bullish below price, AVL signaling average volume uptick, and that KDJ, oversold bounce turning into overbought strength at 70.0. Volume bars are pumping with those blue and orange spikes, MA5 at 484 million, and MA10 at 601 million, way above average. OBV climbing to 3.01 million. No divergence, just pure accumulation. The time axis from September 15, 2025, 10:30 to 10:56 shows this is fresh action. Short-term traders, this is your window. Overall, the chart's painting a classic breakout. Post-launch volatility cooling from that wild 20 cents to 55 cents rip, now stabilizing and climbing. AVNT's not just hype. With $475 million in 24-hour volume globally and a market cap pushing $161 million, it's got real traction as the hyper-liquid of Base. Jesse Pollack himself shouted it out, that's creator endorsement gold. All right, price prediction time. What's next for AVNT? Short term, over the next 24-48 hours, I see us testing that $1.45 high again, potentially pushing to $1.50 if volume stays north of 20 million. A quick pullback to $1.10 support wouldn't shock me for a healthy breather, but RSI cooling could spark another leg up. By end of this week, eyeing $1.35, $1.60 if the Base ecosystem keeps buzzing. Longer term into late September and Q4 2025, with more listings and RWA integrations rolling out. I'm bullish on $2.00 plus. That's conservative, given the 500x leverage draw and institutional backing. If Bitcoin holds steady and DeFi heats up, AVNT could double from here by year end. But remember, crypto's risky, DYOR. Manage your stops and don't FOMO all in.